Looking for comfort, stability, and performance on the golf course? Choosing the right footwear can completely improve your game experience. Best golf shoe brands offer advanced cushioning, superior traction, and stylish designs that help golfers play confidently while staying comfortable throughout every round. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started.
Number 1. FootJoy Golf Shoe. The FootJoy Golf Shoe is designed for golfers who want lightweight comfort without sacrificing performance on the course. Built with a breathable mesh upper and ripstop heel construction, this shoe keeps your feet cool during long rounds while maintaining durability in high-wear areas. Walking 18 holes becomes noticeably easier thanks to the soft foam cushioning system, which delivers a soft, responsive feel underfoot. The plush midsole absorbs impact effectively, reducing fatigue whether you are walking the fairway or standing through extended practice sessions. One of the standout features is the folded 3D collar that enhances comfort while ensuring a secure, no-slip fit around the ankle. This design helps prevent irritation and keeps the shoe stable throughout powerful swings. Traction is another strong point, as the multi-dimensional outsole targets rotational and lateral forces generated during golf swings. Its modern athletic styling makes it suitable both on and off the course, offering versatility for golfers who prefer a sporty look. Overall, the FootJoy Golf Shoe delivers dependable comfort, excellent grip, and consistent performance, making it a solid choice for golfers seeking all-day wearability and reliable traction without feeling weighed down. Number 2. Callaway TRX V3 Golf Shoe. The Callaway TRX V3 Golf Shoe combines classic golf performance with modern comfort technology, making it a dependable option for golfers who prioritize stability and protection. Featuring a microfiber leather upper enhanced with OptiDry waterproof protection, the shoe keeps feet dry even during early morning rounds or wet course conditions. The waterproof construction does not compromise flexibility, allowing natural movement while maintaining a structured fit. Comfort begins with the forged DX EVA midsole, which provides excellent cushioning while preserving ground feedback, essential for maintaining balance during swings. Inside, the 5mm plus foam insole adds another layer of softness, helping reduce pressure points during long walks across the course. The shoe maintains a traditional golf aesthetic while incorporating modern performance features that appeal to both experienced players and newcomers. Its supportive structure helps maintain foot alignment, reducing fatigue over multiple rounds. The TRX V3 also feels secure without being overly stiff, striking a balance between athletic comfort and professional stability. Overall, this golf shoe offers reliable waterproof protection, dependable traction, and lasting comfort, making it a practical choice for golfers seeking consistent performance round after round.
Number 3. Adidas S2G Golf Shoe. The Adidas S2G Golf Shoe delivers a versatile blend of athletic comfort and golf-specific performance, appealing to players who enjoy a sneaker-style feel on the course. Constructed with a durable leather upper, the shoe provides dependable support while maintaining a clean and modern appearance. Adjustable laces create a snug fit that keeps the foot secure during movement, helping golfers maintain balance throughout their swing. One of the defining features is the Adidas Light Strike midsole, engineered for lightweight responsiveness and dynamic motion. This cushioning technology reduces overall shoe weight while providing enough support for walking long distances without discomfort. The inclusion of an Ortholite sock liner enhances breathability and cushioning, ensuring consistent comfort from the first tee to the final hole. The shoe encourages natural foot movement, making it particularly appealing to golfers who prefer flexibility over rigid traditional designs. Its stable platform helps improve confidence during lateral shifts and weight transfer, which are essential for consistent swings. The S2G also transitions easily from the course to casual settings thanks to its sporty design and comfortable feel. Golfers who walk frequently will appreciate the reduced fatigue offered by its lightweight construction and balanced cushioning system. Overall, the Adidas S2G golf shoe stands out as a comfortable, performance-focused option that merges modern athletic styling with dependable on-course functionality. Number 4. FootJoy Men's Traditions Golf Shoe. The FootJoy Men's Traditions Golf Shoe embraces a timeless golf design while delivering modern comfort and performance enhancements. Crafted from genuine full-grain waterproof leather, the shoe provides reliable protection against wet grass and unpredictable weather conditions. The premium leather construction not only enhances durability, but also offers a refined appearance suitable for traditional golfers who appreciate classic styling. Inside, breathable leather linings help regulate temperature and moisture, keeping feet comfortable throughout long rounds. The added Achilles pad improves cushioning around the heel area, reducing friction and enhancing overall support. Comfort continues with the Ortholite Ultra Hybrid Fit Bed, which delivers excellent underfoot cushioning and maintains its shape even after repeated use. Stability is reinforced by the Performance TPU outsole, equipped with Pulsar LP cleats by Soft Spikes. These cleats provide strong traction and ground connection, helping golfers maintain balance during powerful swings and uneven course conditions. Despite its classic appearance, the shoe feels surprisingly lightweight and flexible, allowing smooth movement while walking the course. The structured design supports proper foot alignment, promoting comfort during extended play sessions. Golfers seeking a dependable traditional golf shoe with modern comfort features will find this model particularly appealing. Overall, the FootJoy Men's Traditions Golf Shoe successfully combines heritage style, waterproof reliability, and performance traction into a well-balanced choice for serious golfers.
Number 5. Adidas Response 3.0 Golf Shoe. The Adidas Response 3.0 golf shoe focuses on delivering comfort, flexibility, and everyday playability for golfers who value lightweight performance. Designed with textile and synthetic upper, the shoe offers breathability while maintaining durability for regular use on the course. The regular fit design accommodates a wide range of foot shapes, providing comfort without feeling restrictive. Slow, resilient padding around the collar and tongue enhances step-in comfort and prevents pressure points during extended walking. Inside, a soft textile lining contributes to improved airflow, helping keep feet cool throughout warm rounds. The highlight of this shoe is the Bounce midsole, which delivers responsive cushioning that absorbs impact while returning energy with every step. This makes walking long distances feel easier and reduces overall fatigue during full rounds of golf. While lightweight, the shoe maintains dependable stability, supporting consistent footing on various playing surfaces. Golfers who prefer comfort-focused footwear without sacrificing performance will appreciate the balanced design. Overall, the Adidas Response 3.0 golf shoe offers a comfortable ride, modern styling, and reliable cushioning, making it an excellent option for players seeking everyday golf performance with lasting comfort. Like the video, hit the subscribe